Honor Magic 6 Pro, a camera-centric phone just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate, 4-side curved display, flagship processor, flagship camera setup, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I am gonna show you in-depth review of Honor Magic 6 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the design. The Honor Magic 6 Pro comes in a striking green color, and the leather back cover adds a classy touch with an embossed ears of wheat texture. The design seamlessly combines square and round shapes for the redesigned camera, complemented by a rock texture inside. The shiny metal middle frame matches the camera belt's color, giving the phone a high-end and distinctive appearance. Overall, the Honor Magic 6 Pro earns a solid 9 out of 10 for its unique and appealing design. The major upgrade in the Honor Magic 6 Pro is its enhanced camera capabilities. The primary camera boasts a 50-megapixel sensor with a smart variable aperture ranging from f1.4 to f2.0. providing excellent flexibility. The sensor size is a notable 1.49-inch. Additionally, it features a powerful 180-megapixel periscope telephoto lens and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with a wide 122-degree viewing angle. The actual photo results showcase the camera's impressive imaging capabilities. The Honor Magic 6 Pro features a large 6.8-inch curved screen with a resolution of 1280 by 2800 pixels and a sharp 453 ppi density. The display is advanced, supporting a dynamic refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz with HDR10+ and full coverage of the DCI-P3 wide color gamut. Notably, it achieves a peak brightness of 5000 nits, reaching a global max brightness of 1600 nits. A key focus is on eye protection. With the Oasis 5 eye screen technology, it incorporates features like 4320Hz variable PWM dimming, natural eye protection, and true-to-life color display, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience with multiple eye protection layers. The Honor Magic 6 Pro boasts a substantial battery capacity with a 5600 mAh size, making the phone 8.9 mm thick. It comes with an in-house energy efficiency enhancement chip called Honor E1. In a 4-hour battery life test, the phone impressively retains 75% of its power, showcasing excellent battery performance. With such a robust battery, users can comfortably use the phone throughout the day without worrying about running out of power. Honor emphasizes the durability of the battery, highlighting its resistance to frost and long-lasting performance in low-temperature conditions. The device supports rapid charging, with an impressive 80 watts for wired charging and 66 watts for wireless charging. Charging your phone quickly won't be an issue with the Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Honor Magic 6 Pro introduces a unique feature for basic communication needs: Hongyang satellite communication. This low-power satellite communication system supports two-way voice communication and peer-to-peer SMS functionality. It's currently one of the only 2 models that offer satellite communication capabilities. In comparison to other Huawei models with satellite communication, the Magic 6 Pro stands out with its fast refresh speed and stable satellite call performance. Moreover, all phones in the Honor Magic 6 series come equipped with the self-developed RF enhancement chip C1+. This chip enhances the mobile phone call experience, especially in weak network environments, ensuring stable and clear calls. Additionally, the Magic 6 Pro provides extensive 5G band coverage, making it advantageous for users who travel abroad and need reliable communication. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, featuring LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. It includes ultra-wide area liquid cooling and GPU turbo tuning for optimal performance. Testing the device with a 30-minute session of PUBG Mobile, the average frame rate reaches an impressive 89 frames per second, providing a smooth gaming experience. Remarkably, the maximum body temperature after this gaming session is only 35 degrees, the lowest recorded so far. Switching to Genshin Impact for 30 minutes, the average frame rate is 59.3 frames per second, with slight service fluctuations early on. After the entire scene loads, the body temperature reaches 42.8 degrees, maintaining a temperature level comparable to other flagship devices. In summary, the Honor Magic 6 Pro's hardware configuration delivers excellent gaming performance and efficient cooling. The Honor Magic 6 Pro operates on Magic OS 8.0, featuring large AI models. As you use it more, you'll notice added features like full-screen always-on display and smart capsule functions. It utilizes semantic comprehension capabilities based on extensive models. The phone can automatically organize your photos into albums, streamlining the process. In China, the starting price for the Honor Magic 6 Pro is approximately 56.99 Chinese yuan, equivalent to around £632 in the UK. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.